English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
So, Neil,
Yes, Feifei.
everyone's asking, who was that beautiful woman you were at lunch with?
She's just a friend, a new friend. Very nice new friend.
Oh, you really like her.
Well, yes, she's lovely. She's a doctor.
Neil, I just can't help thinking she's so pretty.
What are you saying, Feifei? She's too pretty for me. As you know, I punch above my weight.
You certainly do. And I'm not saying you're fat.
Haha, yes. To punch above your weight is our phrase on the English we speak. It means to achieve beyond what is expected of you.
We can use it to describe the performance or influence of companies or even countries. Or in this case, when Neil is going out with someone more attractive and successful, we say he's punching above his weight.
Hey, Feifei, that was a bit harsh. Anyway, let's hear these examples.
Croatia punches above its weight when it comes to football. It has a population of under 5 million, but came second in the World Cup.
Even as a small business, you can punch above your weight if you focus on quality and build a strong brand.
Some of the cheaper smartphones are really punching above their weight. They're a fraction of the price, but have got some great features.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. Our expression is punch above your weight. So, Neil, how did you meet this mystery woman?
Well, she's a doctor. You know, I was going to a boxing class earlier this year.
Yes, how's that going?
Well, I stopped. I was training with someone much bigger than me and I broke my nose.
You were literally punching above your weight.
Yes, and who should I meet at the hospital but this beautiful doctor?
Well, it's a good story. Shame it's not true.
I know, I've never boxed in my life.
And I know you had lunch alone today.
But I hope the story helped teach this phrase.
I hope so too.
Anyway, if you're not busy, fancy lunch tomorrow, Feifei?
There you go again, punching above your weight. Bye.
Oh, ouch! Ouch! That must have hurt.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.